A well-maintained neighborhood with mature trees, manicured lawns, and colorful planted areas contributes to the satisfaction of residents and increased property values. But the task of maintaining a beautiful community doesn't stop at the curb. Dirt and debris naturally collect in the streets over time. Left unattended, this will ultimately diminish the neighborhood's appeal, may track onto the residents' property, leading to complaints, and can result in obstructed storm drains. Regularly scheduled street sweeping will make a dramatic difference. Not all street sweeping services are the same. SWIMS' modern fleet of street sweepers and professionally trained staff, a team that prides itself in providing quality service, will ensure your streets are properly maintained. Be sure to select a company with modern equipment and a good reputation. Contact SWIMS for a free estimate and ensure your streets are SWIMS clean.